Hi friends, welcome to Tech Trends. In this video, we can see how to create a RFID security system and display the output in LCD display. Let's watch the video. The components required for this experiment are Arduino board, RFID module, RFID tag, RFID card, LCD display, I2C converter, buzzer, connecting wires and connecting cable. This is our RFID module. We need to connect this RFID module with the Arduino board. This RFID module has 8 pins. So out of this, we need to connect the 7 pins except the RQ pin with the Arduino board. I have listed the connections on the side. You can follow the same connections. Now we connected the RFID module with the Arduino board. Connect the LCD display and the I2C converter in parallel with in the breadboard. Now we need to connect the I2C converter with the Arduino board. So this I2C converter has 4 pins: ground, VCC, SDA and SCL. The ground pin we need to connect with the ground pin in the Arduino board. VCC we need to connect with 5 volt. SDA we need to connect with A4 and SCL we need to connect with pin A5 in the Arduino board. Now we connected the RFID module and the LCD display with the Arduino board. Next we need to connect the buzzer with the Arduino board. So this buzzer has 2 wires, positive and the negative. The negative wire we need to connect with the ground pin and the positive wire we are connecting with pin number 5 in the Arduino board. This is our circuit connection. Now connect the Arduino board with the laptop and upload the program. Before upload the program, we need to give the correct access ID of the RFID tag or RFID card here. So this is the ID of my RFID tag. So this will change based on the device. So you need to replace this with your ID. So I have posted another video for how to get the ID from the RFID tag and RFID card. You can refer that. Then select the board and then select the port also. Click on the right arrow button and upload the program. Now let's check the output. We have created the program like, if we place the RFID tag, it will show authorized access, and if we place the RFID card in the module, and it will show access denied. So let's check the output. Now I am placing the RFID tag and it will show authorized access in the LCD display. Now I am placing RFID card, it will show access denied and the buzzer will turn on. Please like this video and subscribe to Tech Trends channel. If you have any clarification, please post in the comment section. Thank you.